Welcome to the Monday Mindset. I'm Dr. Matt Panetti, and today we're talking about how long is it going to take you to get rid of your pain. So there's three important variables or factors when we consider how long it's going to take someone to get rid of the pain. First off, how long it's been there. And more importantly, not just the pain, but the problem itself. Because pain is always the last thing to show up. The first thing that shows up is the malfunction and the disease. And that's not necessarily something you even notice or realize. For example, you could go to the doctor and feel great going for a wellness checkup and be diagnosed with high blood pressure, or heart disease, or cancer, or whatever else, you name it. It doesn't necessarily mean you feel bad, it just means there's malfunction happening inside your body. So that typically happens first, symptoms happen last. So if that's been there for years and years, understand it's not going to be over in just a couple days. Could take you a couple months, could take you longer. Just understand the healing process takes time, and the longer that's been there, the more duration that it's had to take up space in your body and wreak havoc, the longer it's going to take to reverse that. Number two, how severe is the problem? Is it extremely intense? Is it a severe problem, or is it very small, very superficial, surface layer kind of stuff? Because if it's surface layer, it's going to be a lot less challenging, a lot easier to get rid of. If it's taken root, if it's much more severe, much more impactful on your body, then chances are it's going to take a little bit longer. So again, patience. Patience is a virtue. Patience is key in the healing process. And then number three, what are you doing for it? If you're taking Advil, aspirin, Tylenol, all these other medications, but not doing anything to further the healing process in your body by eating well, moving well, thinking well, sleeping, getting your nervous system cleared. If you're not doing those things, then don't expect the healing process to go very well or happen very quickly for you. Because time, severity of the problem, and the impactful or the meaningful steps that you're taking to relieve the pain or the problem, those all factor into how long it's going to take you to get rid of it. So if you've got pain, you're dealing with it, you're not sure how long it's going to take, think about those three factors. What are you doing for it? Are you doing really good things, or are you kind of 50-50? Only you can answer that. Number two, how severe is the problem? Is it extremely impactful on your life and everyday activities? If so, chances are there's a big problem. And number three, how long has it been there? All right, those are the three things. Hope that helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions.